Yes, go ahead.
And second question, I think that's for me. That's all for today. Is I read we are gonna follow the Beit Shammai ruling when Mashiach comes. I read Shammai is linked to severity. So does it mean it comes from Gevura? And if so, does it mean evil people will be sentenced by the Sanhedrin at that
time? First of all, it's just so you know that when people say that Shammai is always strict and Hillel is always lenient, it's not true. I mean, there are many times, and we learned in another class, we learned a Mishnah, and it's like many Mishnahs. For many months, we learn when opposite, when Shammai is lenient and Hillel is actually strict. But if Sanhedrin is going to execute anybody because of they do not follow the rules of Shammai, first of all, the evil HaShem is going to kill the Satan, the evil inclination. So it would not be any temptation to do opposite. So and if you want to have, if you only have this godly like Etzer Tov, like good inclination, so you only wants to do more, and that's what I see. Sometimes I have to like quiet person down, and not quite like calm down, like cool off a little, especially some people who just found out about Judaism and new Bolshua. He wants to go to all of the strictness like ever from all of the books. Somebody said this, so he goes like all the way. So it's not, of course, it's not our way. So we're going according to halacha, not according to all of the stringencies. Right?